Among MP Materials' attractive achievements is its recent supply contract win with an unnamed automaker for neodymium praseodymium oxide, essential for motor production. This deal is part of MP's broader strategy to develop its 10X magnet-making plant in Northlake, Texas, a key initiative that will strengthen its fully integrated rare earth supply chain. The $1.25 billion investment aims to produce 10,000 metric tons of NdFeB rare earth magnets annually, with construction expected to begin soon and operations slated to start by 2028. The project will create over 1,500 jobs, benefiting from approximately $200 million in state and local incentives, including funds from the Texas Enterprise Fund. The Northlake facility will enable MP Materials to extend beyond mining, advancing into refining, magnet production, and recycling. This expansion supports the company's strategic partnership with the U.S. Department of Defense, which ensures long-term demand from defense and industrial sectors. MP has already formed long-term agreements with General Motors and is collaborating with Apple on rare earth recycling, further solidifying its position as a critical supplier of rare earths, particularly for electric vehicles and defense technologies. In addition to its domestic projects, MP has entered a joint venture with the U.S. Department of War and Saudi Arabian mining company, Ma'aden, to develop a rare earth refinery in Saudi Arabia. This venture will process rare earth feedstock from Saudi Arabia and other regions, producing light and heavy rare earth oxides for U.S. and Saudi manufacturing, defense, and allied nations. MP Materials and the U.S. Department of War will jointly hold a 49% equity stake, with Ma'aden holding the remaining 51%. The U.S. government will provide full non-recourse financing for its portion, and MP will contribute its expertise in rare earth separation and refining. This project strengthens the global supply chain and reduces dependence on China, which currently dominates rare earth production. Domestically, MP continues to scale its operations, particularly at its Mountain Pass facility in California, where it's ramped up NdPr oxide production. In 2025, MP achieved record production of 2,599 metric tons of NdPr oxide, a 101% year-over-year increase. Sales of rare earth materials also increased, marking a 75% growth compared to the previous year. In its fourth quarter results, MP Materials exceeded earnings expectations but fell short on revenue. EPS was 9 cents, significantly above the expected 2 cents. However, revenue of $52.7 million missed the expected $89.9 million, primarily due to MP's decision to stop sales to China starting in July. This resulted in zero rare earth concentrate revenue during the quarter, though increased sales of magnetic precursor products and NdPr oxide partially offset the decline. Despite the revenue miss, MP Materials showed strong profitability improvements. Net income was $9.4 million, compared to a net loss of $22.3 million in the prior year, and adjusted EBITDA surged to $39.2 million, a significant improvement from a negative $10.7 million last year. A key factor contributing to this performance was a $51 million price protection income derived from MP's agreement with the U.S. Department of War. In terms of other rare earth stocks like Energy Fuels, those videos will be out tomorrow. Until then, check out their stock charts on TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.